So what is a cost sheet actually? Cost sheet, the function of preparing a cost sheet is actually converting cost price at cost price into cost price at a selling price. The chapter is somewhat we learned this somewhat in like foundation in inventory chapter, like in accountancy. Okay, we make cost sheet for this purpose, converting cost price at cost price to cost price at selling price. There are four types of cost that we have to study in cost sheet: prime cost, factory cost, cost of production, and cost of sales. These two costs are related up to factory. The moment when the cost we record be outside the factory, okay, we record these two, okay, cost of production and cost of sales. First of all, let's see prime cost. Previous video we saw we learned three type of cost. There are direct and indirect also of it. Okay, so what is prime cost? Prime cost is, okay, prime cost is direct material plus direct labor plus direct expense is known as prime cost. Okay, this is prime cost. Yesterday we learned these were three types of cost: material cost, labor cost, and expense cost. We learned that material cost is of two types, direct and indirect. Labor cost is of two types, direct and indirect. Expense cost is of two types, direct and indirect. Okay, so only if we add direct material, direct labor cost, and direct expense cost, we get prime cost. Now if we add all the indirect expenses, or we say overhead, we learned that overhead in previous class, that indirect material plus indirect labor plus indirect expense is equal to overhead cost. So if we add prime cost plus overhead cost, prime cost plus overhead cost, we get factory cost. I have written it in sequence. Okay, so what was a factory cost? Factory cost was indirect material plus indirect labor plus indirect expense. Okay, so prime cost plus overhead cost is factory cost. Now what we have to learn? We have completed up to here. Now we had to record the expenses outside the factory. So we learned yesterday in first class itself what was a cost. Cost was the actual expenditure incurred. Okay, so this up to now we got the factory cost. Now if we add the office expense, if we add the office expenses, and we have completed our foundation, and I think you know which are all the office expenses. So if we add the office expenses to it, we get cost of production. Okay, we get cost of production. Now if we add selling and distribution cost to it, if we add selling and distribution cost to it, we get cost of sales. We get cost of sales. This is cost at selling price. Okay, so it was not at all a hectic or a complex term. Just understand it. A last moment revision. What is a cost sheet? It is a derivation of from cost price at cost price to cost price at selling price. We have four type of cost. I have written it accordingly: prime cost, factory cost, cost of production, cost of sales. And at first class and in second class we learned cost was of three types: material, labor, and expense. They each were of two types: direct and indirect. If we add all the direct cost, direct material, direct labor, direct expense, we get the prime cost. If we add the all the indirect expense, indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expense, we get the overhead cost. If we add overhead cost or indirect costs to prime cost, we get factory cost. If we add office expense to cost of production, we office expense to cost of office expense to factory cost, we get cost of production. And if we add cost of as cost of selling and distribution, we get cost of sale. That's it. But today's homework is, if this is the cost at selling price, in which of, if by adding which of the cost we got cost price at cost price. Okay, so write this in this comment box, at which stage already we got cost price at cost price. Okay, thank you.